Bring it in. Last structural exercise. So what you've started to, borrow you, Marcus, what you started to observe is that the structure is a unified body structure. Yeah? You want to feel that whole structure, right? But also you see it in your mind's eye, like that lightsaber of bones, and you aim it all towards the other person's center, so that directional integrity builds it all together. So center and sense. See, direct, sync the tension, so the state once again. And you know, one of the most important frameworks of developing this skill of structure is your luxau and your balance control. Because here you're slowly working through the actual shapes and consciously releasing out any tension points in your body. So your slow luxau and your balance control is one of the best platforms for you to develop the unification of your structure, as long as you approach it in the right way from the level of skill development. Now, the last exercise we'll do on structure just quickly is we'll go back to rolling ball, which is the sticking hands exercise, but now you're looking at it from the perspective of structure. So Marcus puts up his circular structure like the rolling ball exercise, which we've all done, right? You're keeping that concept of a ball that's in front of you. This is the water here. You push on the ball, it spins, right? So now, the difference here is that as I put pressure onto Marcus, he's actually going to he's like controlling the rolling ball now. Whereas before, when you first do it in luxau, you're letting the other person spin it, right? So when Marcus puts pressure on me, he's spinning the ball. I'm just aiming at him and he's spinning it wherever it goes. But this time what you're going to do is you're going to spin the ball how you want. The person's going to keep pushing towards your spine and you're going to spin the ball, trying to maintain the feeling of your unified structure. Okay, I feel my spine, my space, I sink, I aim, and I keep my unification of structure, and I roll the ball. Yeah? So that's the difference, yeah? When you're linking it to structure, you're now controlling the structure. Because you want to be able to let it flow if you need to, but you want to be able to control the flow if you need to. Yeah? You want to turn on the tsunami, so to speak. Yeah? You could be flowing like catching waves, or you could be destroying a whole country. Sorry? Crushing. Yes, crushing. Oh, crashing. Crash. Flow and crash. I get it. That's all right. I understand. Yeah. 1, 2, 3.